It is a real headache when you have a clog in your sewer line. It will cause you unnecessary strain as you do not know how to fix the problem or where the problem is coming from. There might be many reasons why the pipe gets a blockage, and it can become blocked because of some small objects as well as the increase of grease or minerals. While there are many different ways to fix these issues, nothing comes close to using a jet pressure machine, or otherwise known as hydrojetting. Hydrojetting is one of the best ways to clear the blockage of the drain. When you use the hydrojetting machine, it requires you to use a high-pressure hose that will blast the water through these lines. It will effectively remove the blockage out of the drain better than any other methods on the market. After first doing a video inspection, experts will decide if it is okay to use jet pressure to remove the blockage. If they feel that it will work efficiently and effectively, they will apply water pressure in the range of 3,000 to 8,000 psi to efficiently remove the blockage. If you are searching for Orange County hydrojetting service companies, you will find many of them. You should carefully select the best one to work with based on your specific requirements, online reviews, and comfortability with the plumber. These are the benefits that come when you use a jet pressure service to remove the blockage. It is efficient. It is true that there are many traditional ways or methods to remove the clog, but when you compare them with the hydrojet pressure method, they are not comparable. When you use the conventional methods, you might not completely remove the clog, and it could end up coming back in a few months. When you use a hydrojet pressure machine, you remove the blockage entirely and allow your drains to flow the way they were designed to. When you use hydrojetting, you will not find any more residue in the pipe. Other techniques, however, usually retain some residue which will eventually build up again and cause another blockage. Therefore, hydrojetting is the best and most efficient way to remove the obstruction in the sewer over any other method. Saves you money. Hydrojetting provides the best value for the money you spend because it removes all of the residues and cleans off the pipe. Snaking in the router technique will cost you less comparatively than the hydrojet pressuring method, but you should understand that using this treatment can, and most likely will, lead to another one in the future. On top of this, it does not take too much time clearing the pipe using a hydrojetter. Traditional methods require too much of your time and effort when you are having to constantly fix the clog. If you are using a plumber that you pay on an hourly basis, you are saving money by using the hydrojetting technique. Environmental-friendly method. Using the traditional methods requires you to use chemicals that are hazardous to both the environment and the people who work with it. When you use the hydrojetting process, there is no risk to either humans or the environment. Hydrojetting is the best method compared to all other options that are available. You should search and find the best Orange County hydrojetting services and use them.